One of the most important tools in electronics is soldering iron. On Aliexpress for around $9 I found this model. And what is it? It's ANENG SL106 electric soldering iron for US or EU plug that can work with 110 volts or 220 volts adjustable temperature welding household electric tool with small LCD screen on the soldering iron. The price is around $9 and you can choose a blue one, the red one. They have also a kit with soldering tin with holder. Okay, but I ordered this one, just the handle, the soldering iron. I waited and of course I got it. Days without bubbles. So disappointing. ANENG high precision electric soldering iron. Okay. Oh, here it is. Looking nice. Nothing more in the box. The instruction manual and the soldering iron itself. Oh, I hate stickers. Oh, I need to clean it. Oh. Okay. You can see that there is small screen right here with 3 buttons, power button and increasing and decreasing button. Also I need to remove this sticker too. I hate stickers because they left self-adhesive. Oh, okay, nice. As I said, this is ANENG SL106 60 watt soldering iron that works from 110 to 240 volts with adjustable range between, it says, 180 and 520 degrees. Digital electric soldering iron. Oh, this is nice. A nice grip. And this red thing is just the protection for the soldering iron tip. Oh, take a look. It's not the best soldering iron, but this one, I think it will be good. And I will test it. Cable is pretty short and it's around 60 centimeters. Let's see what it says. In description it says increased temperature, reduced temperature, backlit digital display screen, power switch on off, anti-scalding heat shield. That is this rubber right here. Okay. What it says else? Insulation layer, digital display, tail design. This is the tail design to protect the cord, the cable. Alright. Replacement steps. You can also replace the tip right here. Let's check that. Here it is, the heater, and this is the tip that you can replace it. Alright, it's easy, that is nice. Maybe I need to order more tips with different shapes. Alright. Oh, here are they. We have different types of iron tips. I'm gonna check that. Digital display chip circuit board, intelligent constant temperature control. The soldering iron head is heated to the specific temperature and automatically stops heating. Alright. Powering in 3, 2, 1. Oh, with blue backlight. And right now it says 350 degrees. But is it working? Whoa, It's hot. Oh, you need to press the power button to turn it off. Otherwise, if you plug in into the AC grid, automatically it will turn on. Okay, power off, power on. Let's reduce the temperature, let's say to 300 degrees, and I'm gonna wait a couple of minutes, no minutes, seconds probably, and measure the temperature on the top of the tip with my digital multimeter. Oh, I need a holder. Okay, this is good. Stay. Here it is, my Fluke multimeter, and here I have measuring probe for temperature, and so far the soldering iron is working for around 5 minutes. I'm gonna measure it just to be steady. Okay. What it says, 280 degrees, 84, 86. This is nice. Beautiful. Alright. Now I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna change, let's say, to 400 degrees. Here it is, the 400 degrees. I'm gonna wait and measure again. I have similar soldering iron that I'm using for years now, but it's not brand, it's like Chinese brand, but it's working fine. But I think that this one will be better, and only with 3 buttons, power, increasing, decreasing buttons on the soldering iron hand, you can control the temperature. Take a look. Nice. If I hope turning off, turning on. Alright. Let's measure again. Come on. Is set on 400, but the tip is not clean. Let's try again. Okay, 300. Whoa! Take a look. We have 373. Wow, I'm not holding. Beautiful. Working fine. And while I'm waiting the soldering iron to cool it off, let me share my coffee page and my last supporters who support me with 1 coffee or more. Is Eagle Eye, who sent me a coffee. Thank you, sir. This one is Razzle. He wrote, "You do great work. Thank you very much for the support." And this one, Liu Pack. "Hi October, I still like your videos and I'm giving you a support. Thank you to all of you who support my work and support me on my coffee page. The link will be in description below so you can check it. Thanks again." Okay, now I'm gonna measure the time from start to soldering point of the tin, and I'm gonna prove to you that the soldering iron is not heated. It's around room temperature. It's power off. Here I have a stopwatch. Start to 400. Maybe I will reduce it to 300, let's say. Alright, let's remove this. We have 14 seconds, 15 seconds, and I will try it. Nope. Waiting. Still hitting up. 30 seconds. And we have a yes, at 35 seconds it starts melting the tin. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is super fast. I love it. I didn't expect that. Okay, now the soldering iron is plugged to my power meter, and see how much watts is pulling. Is set on 300 degrees, and it says it's different from 8 watts, 10, 15 to different, because probably the, let's see, yes, it's, you can melt the tin, and he's keeping the temperature, and it's pulling from 5 to 30 watts. But let's go to the maximum and see how much watt it will pull from the grid. Yes, the maximum is 520 degrees, and take a look, it's pulling 77, 60, 47, 44. Alright. Power factor also is changing to 40, to 59, 60. Alright, it's decent. It's not more than 60 or 70 watts. That is good thing. Alright, power off. $10 soldering iron with digital adjustable temperature and small screen. And I think that for the money this thing is worth it. It's cheap. I like it and I'm gonna use it. Okay, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya. $10.